Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to add your vanilla gift card to PayPal in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to make online purchases or send money, we've got you covered with this easy guide. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app or visit the PayPal website and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly by following the sign-up process. Step 2. Go to Wallet. Once you're logged in, tap on the wallet icon in the app, or select Wallet from the top menu on the website. This will take you to your account's payment methods section. Step 3. Add a card. In the Wallet section, you will see an option to link a card or add a card. Tap or click on this option to add your vanilla gift card. Step 4. Enter your vanilla gift card details. Now, enter your vanilla gift card information including card number, 16 digits on the front, expiration date, CVV, 3-digit code on the back of the card. You may also need to enter a billing address. For vanilla gift cards, if no billing address is registered, you can use your personal address. Step 5. Confirm and link the card. Once you've entered all the details, click or tap Link Card to complete the process. PayPal may perform a quick verification step by making a small charge to the card. Step 6. Verify your card if required. Check your email or PayPal notifications for a verification code, if PayPal sends one. Enter the code to confirm your vanilla gift card is ready to be used. Step 7. Start using your vanilla gift card. Once your vanilla gift card is linked and verified, you can use it to make online purchases, send money to friends or family, and shop anywhere PayPal is accepted. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. And like this video if you found it useful. Stay tuned for more tips.